We must disrupt to grow as an economy, and being part of an organisation and such brilliant, smart people right across the organisation that have that similar ethos and desire to help improve society and support businesses grow is really inspirational. Innovate UK is the nation's innovation agency. We are responsible for helping drive economic growth and productivity across the UK.
As the UK's innovation agency, it's our role not just to help change the country, but also innovate for the rest of government. That position enables us to really drive digital transformation. If we look at what challenges we face as a government agency, there is a lot of bureaucracy, there's a lot of checks and balances that go through the process. We always have to make sure we are adding value on every single process that we do, but every single decision that we make or a board makes or people take often will have to go levels of approval before we can make that happen.
Innovate UK faces the same challenges as many parts of the public sector. It's an organisation that has actually gone on a growth journey over the last few years, and that has meant that we are a more complex organisation. We have had to be agile, and we've had to be more inclusive and create the improved governance and systems, structures, processes that can manage this funding effectively.
We had lots of disparate systems. We used hundreds of Excel sheets to do basic tracking of information, and even a lot of our grants were still paper-based. There's always been a challenge around trusting that information and whether it's accurate. Having already got Workday as our HCM and finance solution, it made a lot of sense to bring payroll into the middle. It really helped bridge the gap between two functions. The power of the kind of reporting and the ability for cost centre managers to see what their up-to-date spend is definitely closing that gap and helping to increase trust in that data.
Workday has helped us transform the overall business. It has significantly improved the speed and security in the way in which we operate. So if I was to advise other CFOs on what to do in bringing in new systems, first, be a proper leader in this. You've got to practice what you preach, publicly go and demonstrate that use of the technology for change. Future-proofing IT in the public sector is vital, and the technological advancements mean that there are individuals or organisations that are looking to compromise public data and public assets. Therefore, we must make sure that we are on top of that ourselves and using technology both to protect against the threat and to look for new opportunities to manage data.